have difficulties producing a coloring book? I've got a solution for you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I will tell you about my experience using Flying Upload, Kindle Direct Publishing, that is KDP, to generate a coloring book with just a few clicks of a button. But before we get into that, at the end of this video, I'm going to announce the two winners for our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, or if you'd like to know if you won, stick around to the end. For those who don't know what Kindle Direct Publishing is, it is uploading books such as journals, notebooks to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing website. And when you sell these books, or when the books are sold, you get a royalty and Amazon ships it to the customer. It's a very passive way of making money. So I use the Flying Upload KDP tool to create coloring books with just a few clicks of a button. Before using Flying Upload KDP, I've tried Microsoft Word, I've tried Google Documents. I also went as far as trying Google Slides. Let me know in the comment section the tools you've used to create your coloring books for publishing. So when I came across the opportunity of using Flying Upload KDP, I was so impressed that I didn't have to spend hours creating coloring books. So go to Features. From the drop down menu, go to Color Book Generator. Click on it. It will bring this page. Click on Add to add the images. So before using this tool, you must have already gotten the images you want to use for your coloring book. For example, I got mine from Vexels. I just downloaded plain black and white images, but you can get them from anywhere else. So click on add the images you've collected. These are the images I collected. I was trying to make a Halloween coloring book. So here are I just decided to pick these 4 images to quickly show you how I make coloring books to publish to Amazon's website, to publish to KDP. The next thing you do is change the trim size to whatever trim size you choose. I will go with 6x9 and the edge space 2mm. Then click on add black first and last page if you want a page in between the coloring images, and click image always on the right page if you want the images to always be on the right page. But if you want the images to be on the left and right, remove the check mark. But I always advise that you click this. It makes your book look neat and consistent. So once you're done with that, click generate. So when you're done generating, this is how your manuscript or your coloring book would look like. The first was an empty page because that's how we chose it. So the images are on the right. This is the first image, an empty page, second image, an empty page, third image, an empty page, and the fourth image. So it's a very easy way to quickly generate a coloring book without all the hassle it takes when trying to generate a coloring book using other tools like Google Docs, Google Slides. Once I've generated the coloring book PDF, the next thing is to upload it to Amazon KDP. So this is the cover I plan to use for my coloring book. So I'll just quickly download it and upload it to Flying Upload. So here's the cover I downloaded. It has different dimensions. It's been designed in different dimensions. This is a 5x8, 6x9, 5x11, 8x10. It's been designed with the most popular coloring book dimensions. So I'll go with a 6x9 because my manuscript or my coloring book interior was designed in the dimension 6x9. So all I need to do is fill in the title, the subtitle, description, keywords, categories, author name, the price, and when I'm done filling it out, I'm gonna upload to Amazon. So guys, that's how it's very easy to create a coloring book with just a few clicks of a button and upload it to Amazon KDP, advertise it, and watch your sales flow in. So as promised earlier in the video, I'm going to reveal to you who the winners are for last week's giveaway. Alright guys, here are the winners for last week's giveaway. James Amos, Aaron Abrams. Congratulations. Contact me to claim your prize. And for next week's giveaway, it hasn't started yet. By the time of publishing this video, it must have already started. That is tomorrow. It would have already started. So as always, the link to the giveaway will be the first in the description below. And any of the tools I've spoken about in this video, that is Vexels, Flying Upload, KDP, all those links will be found in the description below. Like I said, for the KDP, you can get free trial, 30 uploads every month for free. And if you want to upgrade, don't forget to use my link and the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. In my next video, I'll be talking about how to get mockups for your print-on-demand businesses. So if that's something you would like to learn about, definitely subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload that video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.